In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate your billing settings on Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, understanding how to manage your billing information is crucial for running a smooth, hassle-free website. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. If you're not already on the homepage, open your web browser and type in squarespace.com. Once there, log into your account. It's important that you ensure you are using the credentials associated with the account whose billing you wish to adjust. Having your information on hand will make this process seamless and quick. Once you've logged into your Squarespace account, look towards your user dashboard. From here, you'll see a main menu that helps you navigate different areas of your site. Among these options, you will want to find and click on the Settings menu. This is where you can manage many aspects of your site, from user permissions and design to billing preferences. Upon clicking Settings, a list of options will appear. Look for the Billing section and click on it. This section is integral to keeping track of financial transactions related to your website. Now within the Billing section, there's a subsection labeled Subscriptions. Clicking here will present you with detailed information about your current subscription plan, including payment methods and transaction history. It's a good practice to periodically review this data to ensure all charges align with your expectations. If you need to make adjustments, for example, update your payment method or review past invoices, this is where you'll do so. This capability is useful for those managing multiple websites or for someone new to the platform who may need to update their financial details. Remember, keeping your billing information up to date is vital. Not only does it ensure your subscription remains active, but it also prevents unwanted service interruptions. If at any point you encounter difficulties or need clarification, Squarespace provides a robust customer support service that you can reach out to for assistance. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the billing section, the task is complete. It's pretty straightforward, but taking the time to understand how it works can save you from potential discrepancies down the line. In wrapping up, managing your billing through Squarespace is a simple task once you know where to go. Regularly updating and reviewing your credentials ensures that your website will run smoothly without fiscal interruptions. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful guides. Until next time, happy managing.